to another of Kennedy. Playtime. I don't know what's his problem. No. We didn't record everything that we're gonna record when we go to Target. Oh, it's fun. So Marley was right, I couldn't beat that. He won, but time for round two. We're gonna switch it up.
What?
Go.
You gotta try to jump over there, like go around these, just go. Just
Are you okay?
It's like, come on.
I don't get how this hard. I don't get how this is hard. The other one seemed more hard.
Actually, no. My first idea, yeah. That's my first idea.
You gotta make up another one.
You gotta go under everything.
Go into everything?
Yeah.
So even those chairs?
Huh?
So even the chairs?
Yes, even the chairs.
Well, how about we go?
Except for the hard chairs. The hard chairs you can't go under.
These are hard.
Huh?
I can only go under that.
What? That? You can't go under that?
Yeah.
I can go under all these except for that one. So, I'm going first. Why do you step?
Okay, Marley's going. Ooh, he's going under. If he can't, if he stops, keep going. 1,
No, if you touch
10,
it.
11, 12. You gotta try to win in 25 seconds. Go. 15, 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, 30 seconds. Go. Wait, whoever go, go, keep going. Whoever can go through this faster is the winner, okay?
Done.
Okay, so I gotta go under everything.
Yes.
Okay.
Let's go, Neil.
Good snaps.
Oh, wow, how on earth am I supposed to do this? Yeah, you already gonna lose. You're gonna lose anyway.
Molly, are you trying to kill me?
No.
Molly, I'm stuck.
You're stuck?
Yes, I'm stuck. Molly, I'm stuck.
I won.
Sorry, score me.
No, yeah. Now you're... Yep, you
So
lost.
Molly won the challenge. Now we gotta go to the cash register.